When you're thinking about buying software like Ownr, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into. In this video, I'm going to share 7 things you need to know before making a decision. Trust me, you don't want to miss this if you're considering Ownr, especially if you've been looking at competitors like Gusto or QuickBooks. First off, Ownr is a Canadian-based platform that stands out because it's specifically tailored for entrepreneurs and small business owners looking for a simple, cost-effective way to manage their business. But here's the thing. If you're used to the complexity of Gusto or QuickBooks, Ownr's simplicity might feel like a refreshing change, but also something you'll need to adjust to. While it doesn't offer the comprehensive payroll features of Gusto, it shines in the ease of use and speed for business registration, legal filings, and basic accounting tasks. Next thing, its pricing structure is extremely transparent. You're not going to find yourself trapped in hidden fees or upsell offers. Ownr offers a subscription model that includes access to basic legal document generation, company registration, and ongoing compliance, which makes it stand out from competitors that charge extra for each document or filing. This can save you a lot of money, especially if you're just starting out and don't need a complex system. But if you want more advanced features, like managing multiple entities or more robust accounting, you might still need to integrate with other tools. The third thing to keep in mind is how easy it is to get started. While platforms like QuickBooks may overwhelm you with their many features, Ownr's straightforward setup process is perfect for new business owners. You can register your company, file documents, and even access free legal templates in minutes. If you're looking for a solution that won't bog you down in complicated procedures, Ownr does a great job of streamlining everything. Now, moving on to the fourth thing, customer support. Here's the thing. Ownr doesn't have the same massive support infrastructure as Gusto or QuickBooks. That means while you can get quick responses via email, you're not going to have 24/7 phone support. If you're someone who values real-time support, this might be a downside. However, they make up for it by offering tons of self-help resources, which is perfect if you prefer finding solutions independently. The fifth thing is the additional business tools Ownr provides. While it focuses mainly on company registration and ongoing legal compliance, you can also access tools like invoicing, expense tracking, and business plan templates. It's not as feature-heavy as some of its competitors, but it covers the basics well. If you're a solo entrepreneur or small business, this might be all you need. The sixth thing I want to highlight is the legal side of Ownr. For business owners in Canada, it offers a unique edge, providing the ability to file legal documents for incorporation, managing minute books, and registering trademarks. If you're dealing with US-based competitors, like Gusto, they simply don't offer these types of specialized services that cater specifically to Canadian regulations. Finally, if you're looking for integration with other business software, the seventh thing you need to know is that Ownr does a pretty good job, but it's still somewhat limited compared to platforms like QuickBooks. It offers integrations with basic tools, but if you want advanced integrations with apps like Shopify or your payment processor, you might have to look elsewhere or use a third-party app to bridge the gap. To sum up, Ownr is a great option for entrepreneurs, especially those based in Canada, who need an easy-to-use platform for business registration and basic legal compliance. It's not as robust as some of its competitors when it comes to payroll or advanced integrations, but if you're just starting your business and want something simple, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to try out Ownr yourself, just click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for the software and exclusive benefits. Don't wait, go ahead and check it out now.